Do you feel nervous when it comes to the sales calls? A person, a random person, or a business owner has booked a call with you who can be your potential client, but you are quite afraid that how you can convert them because you feel so nervous, right? And I completely get it because I was at your place when I was starting my business, and I really wanted to convert that person, that business owner, into my paying client, but I was like, oh my god, how I'm gonna do that on the phone, right? So today in this video, I'm going to explain you the top 5 tips which can help you to nail your next sales calls. Okay, so just keep listening and keep your pen and paper ready. So the first thing is that keep your mindset straight. Okay, you don't have to feel so panicked, so nervous, because when your mindset is at your place, you are not feeling anything else. Okay, so what worst situation can be happen is that potential lead cannot be your paying client. This is the worst scenario that can happen to you, nothing else. And if a person has booked a call with you, it means he or she is already interested in your products and services. Okay, so you just have to talk normal and you just have to be human, nothing else. Okay, now the second tip that I want to give is keep your automations ready. Whenever a person book a call with you, you have to get your automations ready. Suppose if someone is contacting you, if someone is booking a Zoom call with you or a Skype call with you, you have to send them an email after 1 or 2 hours informing that, hey XYZ, you have booked a call with me on this date, on this time, and I am quite excited to jump on a call with you, and these are my testimonials, or these are my social proof that I got from my previous client. Okay, so just keep your automations ready. Also, before a call, like 2 hour or 3 hour or even half an hour call, before the call, you have to keep just sending them an email reminding them that, okay XYZ, after half an hour we have a call. Okay, and you have to be ready, and I am quite excited to see on the call and discuss the strategies or the problems you are facing with your business, and I want to see that how I can help you the best. Okay, so you have to keep the automations ready. So what happens that the person sees that, okay, this person is very disciplined when it comes to the calls. He or she takes care of the business, he or she takes care of the upcoming clients or any other person is talking to. So this happens when you keep your automations ready. Okay, so the third thing is that third tip that I want to share with you is to just listen more and speak less. Okay, no one is gonna interested in you if you will keep talking about your things. Okay, you don't have to do that. You have to listen more. You have to ask questions like what they are struggling with in the business, how you can help them. Okay, what is their budget, etc, etc, etc. And they have to speak them about their business, what they want, what are their monthly goals, what are their yearly goals, what are their expectations from you. Okay, so just keep listening and make points of all these things that person is saying to you and they need help with. Okay, so this is the third thing that you have. The fourth tip that I would like to give you to nail your next sales call is to give them more social proof. As I discussed earlier in the previous points, that you have to keep the automations ready with your social proof, but on the call also you have to give your social proof. For example, if a person or if a business owner who have booked your call with you is saying that they're struggling with email marketing, and they're saying that, okay, I'm sending like 4 to 5 6 emails a week, but still we are not getting any conversions. So what you can do in that case is you can give your story in between, and that relevants your social proof. Okay, for example, you can say them that for my previous client, I was working as an email marketer, and I helped them in just gaining like XYZ amount of revenue in such days, and this is your social proof. You are not telling that you have to take my services, you are just saying that I can help you in this, and these are my previous results, and this is how I work. Okay, so this way you are gaining their trust. This way they can rely on you that, okay, this person can help me. So this is the social proof that you have to make a story up and you can tell them by using your previous results into the sales call itself. Okay, so this is the fourth biggest tip that helps me and that can help you too. And the next and the final tip that I would like to give you is to follow up. It has been found that a follow-up is the only thing that can help you to convert the leads into your paying clients, and you have to follow at least 4 to 5 times to get one lead into your paying clients. So whenever you are doing something, for example, if a person is saying that I need some time to think, it happens with all of us, it's normal that I don't have a budget, I need to some time to think, or I need to talk to my husband, wife, or my father, anything else, business partner, whatever. So in that case, you can also follow up them. Like whenever you are putting some piece of content and you think is relevant to that person whom with you had sales calls earlier, you can send them. You can send them that, hey, I just launched this blog this morning and I would love you to take a look because I think it can help your business. And this way they will not forget you, because you keep reminding them that how valuable you are for their business and how good you are, how good and suitable fit you are for their business. And this is how they are not going to forget about you, and whenever they will get the budget or they will get their mindset clear with talking to their parents or husband or whatever it is, so whenever they are ready, they will come to you and they will take help from you. So these were the 5 tips that I wanted to share with you. I hope it helps you, and please like, subscribe and share my videos with your friends, your business partners, your business friends, whoever they are. Just share with it, support it, and I will get back to you soon with the new video. Let's rock it, and all the best for your next sales.